Hello everyone, if you're trying to use your camera on Zoom and you keep getting this error, Zoom is unable to detect your camera, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on your computer easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here services, and then you're going to open it up. And now you're going to look for the service called Windows Camera Frame Server. So just click onto any service, press W on your keyboard. Here it is, right click on it, click properties, and now make sure that startup type is set to automatic. After that, click start. And now you're going to do the same for Windows image acquisition. So just right click on it, click properties, set the startup type to automatic, click start on here. After that, click apply, okay. And now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here CMD and you're going to right click on it, click run as administrator, click yes then, and then you're going to put both of these commands in. I'm going to put both of these commands into the description of the video. So you're going to paste both of these commands in here. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here settings, and then you're going to search for camera on here. Here it is, click on camera privacy settings. And now you need to make sure that camera access and let apps access your camera are both turned on. And if Zoom is on here, then click on Zoom as well. And once you're done with all of that, now you're going to restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you can check your camera to see if it's running. If it's still not running, then the last thing you can try to do is you're going to open up your Zoom app, and then you're going to open up your Zoom settings. And once you're in the settings, then you're going to see your camera here. And now you need to make sure that HD is ticked on camera. If HD is not ticked on, then some cameras have trouble turning on. So just turn on HD on your camera on Zoom, and now check your camera, and you'll see that it will work now. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.